In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google business profile. Whether you are simplifying your digital presence or moving on from a business, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. This will take you to the main Google business profile page. In the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Click that to begin. Make sure to log in using the Gmail account that's connected to your business, since only that account can make changes or deletions. If you've signed in before, Google will automatically take you straight to your business dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen for the businesses section. This is where all your business listings are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific business you want to delete. Then select it by clicking the checkbox next to its name. After selecting your business, go to the top right corner of the page and click the Actions icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Remove Business. A confirmation window will open, asking you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the profile. Review the message carefully, and when you're ready, click Delete. And that's it. Your Google business profile has now been deleted. It's a simple but important step in managing your online presence, especially if your business has closed or you've rebranded under a new name. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about what tutorial you'd like to see next.